Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own custom colorful vignette on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your timeline, and also add in a color of your choice. Then you're going to simply go to basic and you are going to select the rectangle or the circle one. I think it's best if you do the rectangle, and wait, let me see. Actually, you can use the circle one instead. And you're just going to adjust it and make it into like an oval shape, kind of like this. I don't know why it's not okay, like that. And then you're just going to feather that out as much as you want, and you can like scale it again if you don't want the vignette to kind of get two together with the video. But that's basically it. There is like a vignette on this app in adjustments here, but it's only a black and white color that you can choose from, and you can't like choose a color that you want. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!